This is another bathroom in our house. This one. So you can see. This one. It is a long time to have this one. When I was a kids, this one. And we have this one. So it's time to clean this one. It is the marble. It's a window there and everything. That's it. So we need the water from this one. And we have the extension of our room here. And this is our phone. It's connected. That's my daughter. That's okay.